Hello friends, welcome to the C++ tutorial. Into the last lecture, we have seen variables and concept of basic data types. In this session, we will continue with actual OOP concept, that is object-oriented programming concept. Today we will cover these topics: class, object, data member and member function. For that, here we have an example. Let us look around you. We have many things like house, man, an apple. Anything in the world comes under some category. This individual is known as an object, but the main category is known as class. Here we have an example of vehicle, then car, bicycle and bus are from vehicle category. So, vehicle is known as a class, a main category. Here, a class is a user-defined data type. Then, a car, a bicycle or a bus is known as an object. An object is an instance of a class. When a class is defined, no memory is allocated. But when an object is created, memory is allocated. Here, wheels, color, weight, these all are known as data member or properties or attributes of an object. And drive is known as member function or action, or we can say method. Data members are the data variables and member functions are the functions used to manipulate these variables. Now we will see a simple program as a demonstration of a class and object with data member. For that, we have opened TurboC. This is our new file. We are including iostream.h, then conio.h. Here a class keyword, then name of a class, which is say for example 1. This is a starting of a class and here it is an ending of a class with semicolon, as class is a user defined data type. Here we are declaring one data member as integer, but to access this data member from the main function we have to write public keyword. We will see this public keyword in detail in this tutorial series. Here a main function. Into the main function, first of all we are using clear screen and as we need this getch function. Here we have to create an object of the class 1. For that we have to write class name and the name of the object, suppose O. To store some value into the A, which is a data member of class 1, we have to use O object. through O we have to access A, but between O and A we have to use dot operator. So we can write O dot A equals to suppose 10, and here C out O dot A. Using dot operator, we can access data member of a class. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. And here is the output, that is value of A is 10. So today we have covered class, object, data member, member function and practical demonstration of class and object with data member. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe Awake Learning channel. Thank you.